Ready? Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah, go ahead. Ready? Ready?
Good. Hey.
Yeah.
Can you reach like right where it's tied in at these tops here? To tie in a rope? There's a tie rope.
To tie in a rope?
Yeah.
I'd give it a shot.
Right there. Yeah.
I'll try, yeah.
Because after I do this one, I'll probably have you take this top out, just tie a rope right where my line is tied in and swing it that way, and get this top out of the way, and then this is gonna be the money cut right here. This one,
Yeah.
and those two down there. But before we cut this one down here off, and the two that are down there, I want to put more. I want to be able to pull on both of these first.
Yeah.
I want to tighten those more.
Yeah.
So I'll probably put like a 5-to-1 down on the bottom.
You got one of those?
Yeah. Put one down on the bottom so we can pull it with the mini and tighten it.
Yeah, because he's sliding like crazy down there.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, it's like, it's not letting up at all. And we took a lot off.
Yeah, I haven't felt it. I've been feeling it move, but I haven't been able to tell if it's like been sliding down or what, or if it's just because we're taking weight off of it and the whole tree's kind of doing this, you know?
Yeah. I haven't noticed it set back at all since I've been up here.
That's kind of why I'm like, well, since you got the lift, you're in a perfect spot for it too.
Yeah.
You know? 'Cause
yeah.
everything's gonna go this way, and you're in like actually a perfect spot. Whoa, whoa! What are you doing? I'm about to make you go up and put this back up there.
Yeah, I wish I could reach that, but I just can't.
I think I ought to cut some of this oak tree back.
I just need to get
Can
right
you cut?
where it's touching, pretty much.
Yeah.
Or anywhere
Maybe
right
a little
above it,
bit, yeah.
anywhere right
May not be a
above
bad
it,
idea while we're here.
You know, anywhere right above it. But we need to get these out first.
Yeah.
This stem out first.
Is that all the higher you can get with the machine?
Yeah, it's all the farther really out I can get. I can go high, I just can't go out farther. I'm too fat.
Quite a ways.
As long as we can put a rope on it, then we can cut it back here. But I want to be able to lift it first. I want to take some more weight and then try to lift it off the house a little bit before we start making all that noise, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna get rid of these two little stubs right here.
Okay.
And then I could go up and get some of that top part.
If you want, that's up to you.
Then there's not as much up there to swing around and less weight, and figure try to get as much weight off as possible.
This one might get stuck here. So put it on the porter rat or on the mini so we can pull it out if we have to.
I'm gonna get out of the way when you cut that.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, good idea. Here.
Oh. I should have cut that one too. There you go. Justin. Hey, could you run to the truck? There's a okay. Because I'm running out of battery. I'm trying to get all this on video.
Huh?
I'm trying to get all this on video.
Oh, nice.
There's a black bag in the truck, Justin. Yeah, you'll see it. It should be opened up, and there should be another little black bag in there with like a microphone. And that's got all my batteries for this. Damn, dude, I need a bigger machine.
That easy lift.
Fuck. Yeah, there should be a microphone in there. It's got a little fuzzy on it. Yeah, that's the bag. Yeah, I got 10% left. Yeah. Yeah.